Yeah, and apparently they say it was a great way to get loose.
Get loose?
Before the holidays.
And her speaking?
Yeah.
Oh, there goes my son. No, I'm just kidding.
It's quite cold there,
Let's bring in
Adam.
Adam's still staring. Want to go for a run?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Let's go to weather. Okay, 37, moderate air quality, no restrictions for burning. So clear skies right here, just some cloud cover heading into the deserts, but 37 in Bakersfield, much cold for this morning, all in the blue. 35 in Lamont, 43 in the Grapevine, 36 in Tehachapi, back into the 20s for the deserts. But the next several days, we have a change. Wednesday, mostly cloudy, a tiny chance of rain, 61 overnights, close to freezing. We have a cold front moving through, but zipping back to today, still cool but sunny, 58 at 11 o'clock for Christmas shopping and 65 by 3. We have high pressure right now, this orangey color, which means sunshine and warm temps. But as we head throughout Wednesday, we have this low pressure system right here that's going to swing through and bring that cloud cover, a chance of rain, and maybe, just maybe, some dusting in the mountains. So you can see that cloud cover right here. You can see some pink right there towards Tehachapi, but really high elevations like Pine Mountain Club, Tehachapi, but gusty winds possible. It's very short-lived though, so I don't think much accumulation. Just some winds and rain chances for the valley, a big temperature drop for Thursday, and maybe some tiny dusting in the mountains. So really big temperature drop, 55, overnight 31. We're back to 60s heading towards Christmas Eve on Sunday. And there for the Cumberland Valley, mountains and Fraser Park, that tiny rain chance, maybe some dusting overnight into the 20s. Look at that, highs in the 40s, really windy Wednesday and Thursday, then back into the 60s Saturday and Sunday.